Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of chasing dust bunnies every weekend, stepping on crumbs while cooking, or spending hours pushing a heavy vacuum around the house, then get ready to change your cleaning game forever. Today we're reviewing the roborock Saros Z70 Robot Vacuum and Mop. This AI-powered beast is the first robot with a real mechanical arm that actually picks up socks and small clutter, plus massive 22,000 Pa select suction, dual spinning mops, and a super slim 3.14-inch design that slides under almost any furniture. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this thing makes floors spotless with almost zero effort. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let's break down the features of the roborock Saros Z70. It's ultra slim at just 3.14 inches tall, so it cleans under beds, sofas, and cabinets where other robots can't reach. The star feature is the brand new OmniGrip mechanical arm, a 5-axis foldable arm with its own camera and sensors that spots small items like socks, slippers, tissues, or toys, picks them up and moves them out of the way or to a safe spot you set in the app. It has 22,000 Pa HyperForce suction that sucks up dirt, pet hair, and debris like a champ on both hard floors and carpets. The dual spinning mop pads use hot water for deep cleaning, lift 22 millimeters to avoid carpets when mopping, and the self-cleaning dock washes, dries the pads with hot air, dispenses detergent, and auto-empties the dustbin. Navigation is next level with StarSight 2.0 AI that recognizes over 100 objects and creates perfect multi-form maps with automatic room-by-room cleaning. Battery lasts up to 180 minutes or more. It has AdaptiLift chassis to climb thresholds, dual anti-tangle brushes, and the app lets you set no-go zones, schedules, and even watch live video from the robot. Setup is easy. Just place the dock, download the app, and let it map your home. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. The pros are huge. The OmniGrip arm is truly innovative and saves you from pre-cleaning clutter. Incredibly strong 22,000 Pa leg suction for deep cleans. Excellent mopping with hot water and self-cleaning dock. Ultra slim design for hard-to-reach areas. Smart AI navigation that barely gets stuck. Long battery life, quiet operation, and premium build quality. Users rave about how it keeps floors cleaner than ever with almost no daily work. On the cons side, the arm works great on light items but still struggles with heavier or tricky objects sometimes. The price is premium, so it's a bigger investment, and the dustbin is a bit smaller to make room for the arm tech. A few early users noted the arm needs occasional app updates to improve accuracy, but roborock is pushing frequent improvements. Overall, the pros dominate for anyone who wants hands-off cleaning. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely get the roborock Saros Z70 Robot Vacuum and Mop if you want the smartest, most advanced cleaning experience with that game-changing mechanical arm, powerful suction, and self-maintaining dock. It's perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who hates vacuuming. If these honest smart home reviews are helping you find gear that actually makes life easier, hit subscribe for more. And click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs easier cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.